Hello, this is Dr. Matthew Noble, Director of Chemistry here at PostProcess Technologies. We took on the task of developing AUX-400-RINSE a couple of years ago to replace IPA in the rinse step of a resin removal workflow. The goal was to develop something that would be comparable to or better than IPA. AUX-400 is safer than IPA because it's less flammable than IPA. It has a flash point of 102 Fahrenheit, 39 degrees centigrade, making it a safer alternative to IPA. It does not require the use of explosion-proof equipment, and it dries and has a vapor pressure similar to IPA. It fits in nicely as a replacement in the rinse portion of the workflow.